Hello students, standard 6th English medium subject computer. So children, we have completed our lesson number 1 and today we are going to start lesson number 2, Windows, files and folders. Okay. So first of all we will see the definition of file. So what is a file? The collection of information that is stored under one name is called a file. Right children? So file, that is the collection of information. And the information could be in any form like text, pictures, audio videos, etc. Now on a computer, files are represented by icons. And so it is easy to recognize what type of file it is by looking at its icon. Right children? So different types of files are there and we can identify the type of the file with the use of the icon. Okay? Now here some of the common file icons are given in your textbook. Okay? First is, this icon is for text file. Right children? This represents a text file. The second icon represents a WordPad file. Third one represents a Word file. This is an example of picture, that is you can say image file. This type of file is an example of an audio, means music file, and this is an example of video file. So we can identify the type of the file with the use of this type of icons. These are the icons that you have to remember, right children? Now we will see the definition of folder. So the group of files of similar type is called a folder, right children? So folder means group of files and file means the collection of information. Now here there are two types of folders that you can see on your computer. First is empty folder. You can see when you see this type of icon on your desktop, means it represents an empty folder, right? And it is usually named new folder until you give it a name. Then after, this type of icon represents a folder that contains files or other subfolders. Okay, so it means that there are other files or other subfolders are there in this folder. Now a folder can also store other folders, and a folder within a folder is called a subfolder. Right children, this definition you have to remember. A folder within a folder is called a subfolder. Now you can create any number of subfolders, and even a subfolder can have any number of files and other subfolders. So it contains any number of files and other subfolders. Okay children? So these are the definitions of files and folders. Now we will see the definition of library. So here in Windows, library is a feature that helps you to store and organize your files and folders. Okay? So library will help you to store and organize the files and folders. Now by default there are 4 libraries in Windows. Which one? First is documents library, second is picture library, third is music library, and fourth is videos library. Okay. Now what is documents library? So it is used to store and organize text files, means notepad files, then WordPad documents, Word documents, spreadsheet, Excel files, PowerPoint, presentation files, etc. Right children? So this is documents library and that is used to store and organize all types of files and documents, right? Now, by default, all files that you save, move or copy are stored in My Documents folder in Documents library. Okay? In Documents library, My Document folder is there, and all these files that you save, move or copy are stored in My Documents folder. Second is Pictures library. Now, picture library is used to store and organize pictures, photographs or images that you catch from your camera, scanner or email. Okay? So, pictures library store and organize all images and photographs, right? Now, here My Pictures folder is there in pictures library. Okay, and all pictures that you save, move or copy are stored in My Pictures folder. Third one is music library. Now it is used to store and organize music such as songs that you pick from an audio CD or download from the internet. So it will store and organize the music files, right? Now music files that you save, move or copy are stored in My Music folder in Music library. And fourth one is Videos library, that is used to store and organize videos such as clips from your digital camera or video files that you have downloaded from the internet, right children? And here My Videos folder is there, and all video files that you save, move or copy are stored in My Videos folder. So children, these are the different types of libraries of Windows. Okay, Documents library, Pictures library, Music library and Video library, right?